Hello everyone, welcome back to SK CAD solution. Today I am going to show you how to prepare this part in SolidWorks software. The radius is 40 and pitch is 60 mm, height is 40 mm. Friends, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for the updates. Select extrude, select the top plane, create two circles, give the dimension 80, the pitch is 60 mm, and here to here 30 mm. Create line here, trim lines, give the vertical connection here, give the tangent connection for this line, next create diaphragm circle, next there is a dia 20 circle through hole, give the equal connection, select line, create line like this, so finish sketch, select this face first, mm, 40, select sketch again, extrude, select this face, height we required 70, select sketch again, extrude, select this face, height we required 30 mm. Next select this face, sketch, create one line here, give the dimension, this dimension is 30, finish sketch, extrude, reverse the direction, thickness is 10 mm, mirror this plate, mirror about center plane, okay. Next there is a one cutout, for that select the front plane, sketch, create one rectangle. The dimension is 30 mm. Height is 20 mm. Here to here 15. So finish sketch, extruded cut, select the mid plane here, the dimension can give Control 7 for ISO view. That's it friends. So assign the material chromium plate. So assign the color here. So that's the today's session friends. I hope you enjoyed this session, and also I'm requesting please do subscribe my channel and support me. Thanks for watching this session friends. We'll see you in the next session.